guys, so most times when we cook or when we chop things like maybe fruits or vegetables or stuff like that, especially when we are in a hurry to chop it, most times they get stuck or they stick to the knife. They get stuck to the knife or they stick to the knife, any of the above. So I'm talking of something like this. So when we are chopping, they end up sticking to the knife like this. So most times you now have to go through the stress of cutting and removing stuff like that. So in order to avoid going through the stress of chopping or cutting and removing like this and slowing yourself down or wasting your time, I'll be showing you what to do to avoid all the stress in this video. So all you need to do is to get a stick. It can either be toothpick or a clean stick or a mashing stick. So this is a mash stick I'm going to be using in this video. So I'm going to show you what to do. Just give me a few seconds. So now all you need to do is to get a stick and get yourself a tape. Get a tape. So now we are just going to do this. I'm going to cut it off. So now all you need to do is to attach the stick to the knife. Please make sure the tape is clean, make sure the stick is clean, and make sure the knife is also clean. Since it is full, we are together with. So all you need to do is just attach the stick to the knife like this with the tape, with the help of the tape. So now we're going to cut without actually worrying about now you can cut without the vegetable or fruit sticking to the knife. So it's easier like this and faster. So now that you've learned this trick, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Let us know in the comment section if this is new to you, or if you've known this since, or if this is not your first time knowing this, or if you've been doing this since. Let us know in the comment section. Well, this is actually new to me and it has been helpful because now I can easily cut my vegetables without being slowed by the vegetables sticking to my knife. So thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. We hope to see you on all of our videos. Bye.